Welcome to our kitchen oasis. Today I'm going to show you how to make my favorite lemon cake. This is a very soft and moist, relatively healthy cake. First, you put egg yolks in a bowl. Then add roughly half the sugar. The rest will be used for meringue later. You whisk until it becomes fluffy and pale. You can use electric beater if you like. Now it is nice and pale. You add oil gradually as you whisk. And mix well. The mixture is emulsified now. Very smooth. Now you add zest of 1 lemon. I use this fine cheese grater, which seems to work better than zester. Please make sure you only zest yellow part. The white part, pith, is bitter. After zesting, you cut the lemon in half and juice it. The flesh can be in the juice, but please remove the seeds. You will need about 50 milliliters, but it can be a little more or less. And mix well. Now you sift flour into the mixture. And mix well with a whisk. Next you make meringue. You put egg whites in a clean and dry bowl, that is really important, and whisk it until it gets fluffy with an electric beater that is also clean. Add about half the sugar left from egg yolk mixture and whisk again until it gets more fluffy. Add the rest of the sugar and whisk until it gets glossy. When the meringue is glossy and smooth like this, it is done. You put about a quarter of the meringue into egg yolk mixture and mix well with a whisk. You don't worry about the meringue getting flat and losing fluffiness at this point. You just need to mix really well. You scrape the bottom of the bowl and make sure it is all mixed very well. Then you pour the egg yolk mixture into meringue. The egg yolk mixture is loosened with a quarter of meringue, so it should mix easily. Please use a spatula, scraping the bottom in cutting motion like this to keep the fluffiness of the meringue. You pour the butter in a lined cake tin. Drop the tin a few times like this to remove big bubbles. Bake the cake in preheated oven at 170 degrees or 160 if unforced for 50 minutes or so, until the top of the cake is slightly colored and inserted skewer comes out clean. I wish I can share the fresh lemon scent I can smell right now. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.